Hi students, this is an introduction to MyEnglishLab, how to use it and how to log in. The first thing you need to do is go to the Pearson website. To do this, in your address bar at the top of Google Chrome, you will type english.com/login. And that should go directly there. Okay, that is english.com/login. Okay, and then you'll type in your username and your password. Your username is based on your ID number. So I have a student fake ID here, and my number is 136271. So what I will type here is HC 136271. Everybody starts with HC, that stands for Hub Center, and then your student number. Okay, so everybody's student number is a little bit different. If you aren't sure about your student number, please ask your teacher or ask someone in the Hub's office. Now the password is Hubs123. I'm going to click over here. I'll click Show, and now I can see what I typed. You need to have a capital H at the beginning. Okay, so capital H, Hubs123. It's good to click over here to click Show to make sure you're typing exactly the correct password. Okay, I'll click Sign In. Okay, now we're signed in to our home page or our dashboard with Pearson. And you can see we have a Favorites tab here, and we have a Future tab. Now, if you look at the Future tab, you'll see all of the levels. Okay, so Future Intro, 1, 2, 3, 4, and Advanced. So you will need to find your specific level that your teacher is using in class. Okay, so today we're going to use Future 2 as an example. So I will open this one. And here you can see we have MyEnglishLab. So this is the one that we will need to log into MyEnglishLab. You also have the Reader ebook over here. And that is the book that your teacher uses in class. This is the online version of it. So you have access to that Reader ebook too, if you want to look at it. Now, one little tip or trick that you can use is if you click on these stars, that will mean it's saved as a favorite. So if I click on this star for the Reader ebook, the product marked as favorite. Okay, I'll click Got It. And now it's going to show up here in my Favorites tab, so I can find it easily next time. Okay, so when you go to your dashboard, it will be at the very top in your Favorites. Okay, so today we're going to look here at MyEnglishLab. So I'll click on this one. It might take a few seconds to load MyEnglishLab, but once it comes up, then you'll see a couple of things at the top here. We have assignments. If you're on a smartphone or a mobile device, this might say to do, not assignments, okay? So it will say to do or assignments, and we have course here. For a lot of you, this will open up on course. And you will need to actually move over here and click on assignments or to do. So I'm clicking on assignments, and now I can see the work that I need to do. So I have 3 assignments here. We have a grammar one, we have listening and speaking, and then a writing activity. And I can see here's my start date, February 29th. and my due date is March 4th. So it has to be done before 11:59 on March 4th. After that, it will not be available anymore. Okay? So to do the assignment, we're going to click Open on the right here. And this is grammar simple present using the be and have verbs. One thing that you should know is that this light bulb over here gives you some instruction about grammar. So if I click on this light bulb, I can see the grammar instruction and examples. And then I click again, and it goes away, and I can do the activity. Okay? So I'm going to go through and just select some of these as an example. And I will submit it. And it will give me a score immediately. Okay, I got 75%, 6 out of 8, correct. So I think I want to try again and get a higher score. So I'll go down here and I can click try again. And it will save the good ones. These are the ones I got correct, and it saves them for me. The ones I got wrong, I can try again. And then I'll submit again. Great, I got 100% this time. So now I can exit and go back, or I can click next and go to my next activity. This one is listening and speaking, so you'll click on this arrow to listen, and then you'll answer the questions. Okay, I'm going to exit out of here. Say yes, I do want to exit. And now we're back on the assignments page. And you can see that I have 2 assignments now because I finished one. So the one that I finished no longer appears here. Okay, and then when you're done with My English Lab, you can just click Sign Out. All right, thank you, everyone.